I had this piece of wood. It was left over from some construction around our house, and I painted it in Wise Owl white primer, and I found these fish at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put 2 of these little blocks. These also come from the Dollar Tree. They come in a square of these little blocks, and I'm going to put them on the back of each fish with one of these long dowels and glue them all together, but I have these blocks on either side just to give it some stability. And I did this to all the fish. So I'm measuring the center, and I'm going to drill a hole using my drill in the center of my block. I'm dipping my dowel in some wood glue and putting one of the fish with the long dowel in that hole. Then I'm going to take another fish and I'm going to cut the dowel a little shorter. You can post a link for this miter box if you're interested, just let us know. And then the larger fish even shorter than that. I'm going to drill a hole to the right of my first fish and then a hole to the left of my fish. And I'm going to put the longer one of the last 2 to the right and the shorter to the left side. Hole. And again, I'm just dipping the dowel in a little bit of wood glue. I hope this is easy to follow along. Really, any piece of wood would work. I kind of like this one because it was weathered and I was just able to get some white paint on it. I'm not worrying about full coverage. I'm going to remove the hangers from the fish. One of the fish has an eye, the other ones do not, but they have a hole. So we'll work on that in a bit. I'm taking, again, some more of the white and adding it to the stick. And I found these glass beads at the Dollar Tree that I'm filling in this little inlay here. And I glued them. And then I'm placing one on each eye. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkatofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkatofancy.com. Thank you.